It's a well-known fact amongst physicians who perform colonoscopies and endoscopy staff, nurses, techs who help us do colonoscopies, that women's colons are harder to navigate than men. Because why wouldn't they be? You know what I mean? There's a few reasons for this that I think are pretty interesting. The first one is that even though women on average are smaller than men in stature, our colons, women's colons, tend to be longer and more redundant, meaning they have a lot of folds and they tend to be a little bit floppier, for lack of a better term. Interesting. Number two, either having a uterus or not having a uterus by means of hysterectomy, either of those situations may make the procedure more challenging. If there's an extra organ, a uterus down in the pelvis, then there can be a greater pelvic dip for where the colon is there, can create a tighter turn to get through. So you're trying to get through and it can be challenging. If someone's had a hysterectomy, that can lead to pelvic adhesions or scar tissue. So again, you can end up with a really fixed colon in that area because it's just tacked down with scar tissue. So you're trying to get through and you're just like, I'm hitting a wall. I can't get through. Amazing. And the last reason is that women tend to have smaller frames of their body cavity. So you have this longer, more redundant, floppier colon, but fitted into a smaller frame. So you can imagine the tight turns and angulations that have to be navigated to get through. So the more you know.